Okay, so we've got the exhaust back on with the gaskets. Everything's almost hooked up. I have put the engine cage on, and I've put the pedestal lights back in, and they were clipped to come out. So these are a three-way pedestal light, supposed to work as tail, turn, and brake. We only use them as tail and turns, or tail and brake. Up there is where our turn signals are, just because of the type of master cylinder we use. So red is tail light, black is turn or brakes. So we are going to work on getting this patch back up. I'm also going to add a license plate light to this. It's legally required, and so that's what we're doing next. So even though I'm using heat shrink connectors, just given we are in water with the mud bogs, I like to double them up. Also these, they're like 20 bucks at your local your local auto parts store. Check your local gas station or truck stop, they're 5 bucks. And then they're refillable. But I like to let them cool in between doing them. We got to run a wire for a license plate light. So it's going to go approximately in this area. Okay, we are going to see if I wired these right. I closed these doors so I can see the reflection off of them. We are going to put the battery cable back on. Turn the power on. We have, so red is tail, so this might need, and we are in business. So now we're gonna heat shrink this stuff up and put a cover on it, and the back end is good.